know sometimes you wanna go and give up.
Hey guys, so this is the second week of me vlogging. I just got to school. Traffic wasn't too bad, but I have something to tell you guys. I backed in for the first time by myself. So I know this is probably sad. I know I have a BMW and I have the rear view camera, but I have like this fear of parking near cars, but there's no one here. So I was like, let me see, because where I park, usually they're cutting the grass. And I didn't want to go over there and have to fix, pulling in. So I came to a different side of the parking lot, and I actually like it better. I think I'm going to start parking here more often, especially since I'm in the shade, so the car won't be like super freaking hot when I get back. But yeah, I'm proud of myself. I backed in. And I look pretty good. And so yeah, I'm going to show you guys the camera. So that's just the sensors. That right there is my bumper, so that shows me how close I am to the little curb thing. So yeah, I'm not moving. Look, see, now they're leaving. Really, 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 really? Yes. Well, it's time to go to class. Meh. Oh, I just locked them. Well, me parked backed in. Okay, so it's the next day. Everyone's still sleeping, so I don't want to wake anyone up. Chris is on his way. I'm gonna fix my hair because it got messed up. And yeah, I'll see you guys at school. Bye. Hey. Yes, I got you. No, open your eye. Come on. No. Oh. Come on. One more time. Oh, then focus. 26, 22. Yeah, I kind of got it. I'm currently outside with the dogs. And I have to put this up because they'll run out. Hey guys, so last night I didn't get to end my vlog, and I'm sorry about that. I actually have 10 minutes until I have to leave for school. That sounded really weird. School. We have a meet tonight, so I'm gonna vlog that. So today's gonna be a pretty busy day. I have school, gonna come back, do some homework, clean up the cars, then get ready, and then we'll be off to the meet. I forgot to charge my camera last night, so I'm gonna have to charge it when I get back home. I'll vlog for you guys when I get to school, and hopefully it doesn't die. But yeah, not much going on. My allergies are just killing me. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go to school, and I'll see you guys in a few. What? Oh. You know I got that, right? Cup. So the meet hasn't officially started yet, but some people are here. This is a few of the cars. Chris, my car. But yeah, more people are supposed to show up, so we'll see. Oh. Oh, Chris.
Sorry.
Why you getting in it, bruh? Why you getting in it? Guys, so I got back from the beach. I thought I was gonna record more, but it got dark so fast. So sorry about that. Gonna get in bed and go to sleep because I have class in the morning. So yeah, I'm sleepy. That's pretty much it for today. Sorry that today was pretty short. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Bye! Okay, hey guys, so it's the morning and I have class. I'm gonna go to class. I'm so tired. I wish I could just stay home. And tomorrow I work too, so that's gonna be so hard getting up. Yeah, today's just gonna be a really busy day of me doing work. Well, I'll see you guys soon. So, hey guys, I didn't really get to vlog yesterday. It was kind of a busy day with school and work and having to do like all my other assignments. But today I don't work and I've just been doing errands with my dad. So we went to the bank and stuff, so like places like that I can't record at. I'm probably gonna head back home and then go to the dealership. Yeah. Chris. Oh, that wasn't good. Yeah, I know. Bay moving Bay. Because he wants to wash cars. Because my car dirty. I have bird poop on my car. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. I thought I would scrape, but not really. I'm really high up still. I don't know why we go so slow. It's not gonna scrape. I do that same thing though, so you know, we go slow. Ooh, listen to that. Whoops. So here I have my JSR sticker that Chris gave me, my H&R sticker, my LZ VMX from Adam LZ, and my my Ben Frenetic sticker. And now he's moving the Range Rover. Oh, you can see. Range Rover. Oh, car sounded like it didn't want to start. Oh, hey guys, I haven't vlogged. My neighbor.
Ain't nothing else. There ain't no dirt that sticks to any other part of it.
Chris, why don't you do your car first? Do your car first. It's easier. And you don't want to do his car first. Babe. Oh yeah, he's going to do his car first. Babe. Listen to how loud his car is. Oh, that's gonna be a nice picture. Bye.